This will set the standard for the rest of the gate. Once you have one side of the fence to your liking, go to the furthest fence post and tie a string between there and the fence post that you just laid. This is going to make sure that everything is straight as possible and save you a bunch of time along the way. It was super easy to use, but just note, hanging the actual gate itself is easier with two people. If you don't have a second pair of hands, I'd recommend using a 2x4 as a spacer. Once the gate is in place, add your first fence board and then attach your hardware. This will hold the gate in the correct position while you screw in the remaining boards. Lastly, add your release handle and you're good to go.